The Brabus 900 is the ultimate expression of power, luxury, and exclusivity. Based on the Mercedes-AMG G63, this high-performance SUV takes everything to the extreme. Brabus has transformed the already impressive G-Class into a beast with a handcrafted 4.5-litre twin-turbo V8 engine that delivers an astonishing 900 horsepower and 1,250 Newton-meters of torque. However, the torque is electronically limited to 1,050 Newton-meters to protect the drivetrain. This incredible power enables the Brabus 900 to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.7 seconds, an astonishing feat for a vehicle of this size and weight. The top speed is electronically limited to 280 km per hour, ensuring stability and safety at high speeds. The exterior design of the Brabus 900 is both aggressive and stylish. It features a wide-body kit with carbon fiber elements that enhance aerodynamics while giving it a more commanding presence. The front fascia is dominated by a custom grille with the Brabus logo, a redesigned bumper, and large air intakes for better cooling. The carbon fiber hood scoop adds a sporty touch while improving airflow to the engine. At the rear, a roof-mounted spoiler and a carbon fiber diffuser complete the high-performance look. The SUV sits on massive 24-inch forged wheels wrapped in high-performance tires, ensuring superior grip and handling. Step inside, and you are welcomed by an interior that is nothing short of breathtaking. Brabus offers a fully customizable cabin with the finest leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber trim. The seats are redesigned for maximum comfort and support, featuring Brabus logos and contrast stitching. The dashboard and center console are upgraded with high-quality materials, and the digital instrument cluster is tailored with unique Brabus graphics. Ambient lighting enhances the luxurious feel, and the SUV is equipped with the latest technology, including a premium sound system and an advanced infotainment interface. Driving the Brabus 900 is an exhilarating experience. The upgraded suspension system ensures a perfect balance between comfort and performance, making it suitable for both city driving and off-road adventures. The 9-speed automatic transmission delivers seamless gear changes, while the all-wheel drive system provides exceptional traction in all conditions. The enhanced exhaust system with adjustable valves produces a deep, aggressive roar that announces its presence on the road. Brabus has also equipped this super SUV with advanced safety and driver assistance features. It includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. The high-performance braking system, featuring carbon ceramic discs, ensures maximum stopping power, providing confidence at high speeds. Owning a Brabus 900 is about making a statement. It is not just an SUV, it is a symbol of status, power, and engineering excellence. With limited production and meticulous craftsmanship, this high-performance machine is reserved for those who demand the very best. Whether you are cruising through city streets, dominating the highway, or exploring rugged terrains, the Brabus 900 delivers an unparalleled driving experience. The Brabus 900 is more than just a modified G-Class, it is a masterpiece of performance and luxury. From its monstrous 900 horsepower engine to its ultra-luxurious interior and aggressive design, this SUV redefines what is possible in the world of high-performance vehicles. If you want the ultimate combination of power, exclusivity, and luxury, the Brabus 900 is the SUV that stands above the rest.